Today, we're going to be talking about the best AI website builder for 2026. And in my honest opinion, after testing several that are out there, my pick is Hostinger. So I'm just on my website builder dashboard here on Hostinger. And I want to mention too, if you have not gotten Hostinger yet, you can click on the link in the description. It's going to give you the best available price at the time that you're watching this to sign up for your own account in Hostinger. But once you're in the website builder here, we're just going to go to add website. So you click on that. And then they have up here the Hostinger Horizon. So we're going to click on this. And here is where we're going to just start creating a website with AI. And you really, all you need to do is talk to it. So I'm going to just show you in real time creating this website. So let's say I want to create a portfolio page for some of my photography. So I just typed in real language, create a portfolio website for my photography business. I'm going to go up. All right, so then it's just going to ask you some questions here. So before I get started, I have a couple of quick questions for you. What's the main vibe that you're going for? Classic and traditional vibe. And then what sections do you want? And it gives you suggestions here. So like I'm going to want a home page, gallery, contact, and services page. And you're watching this happen. You can see it's creating the code over here. Now it's dropping some information in here saying what the website is going to include. And just like that, here you go. And now we can scroll through this and get a real preview of what it looks like. Now, obviously, what it's creating is the layout and the template for this. But all of these elements are obviously updatable. We can put my name in here. We can add our tagline. You can obviously put your own photos in here. But this is the layout. And actually, I kind of like this as it is. But we can also go over here and ask for changes. So instead of this grid of images, I want it to be a carousel where I'm just seeing one at a time. So let's ask it to make those changes. Honestly, it's such a simple thing, but it's one of the things that I really like about this version of the AI builder is that when you type in your own language, your own way of talking, can you make the portfolio section a carousel of images? Maybe I'm not saying the right words, maybe I'm not asking the right way, but it confirms, it says, I'm updating the gallery to a carousel format now, which is confirming, okay, you understand what I'm saying and put it in your own words. And that sort of conversation feels much more like you would have with a web developer, web builder than just, sometimes you put in a prompt on some of these websites and then you're just waiting and you're hoping it understood what you said or you didn't say it the wrong way. And then you wait a few seconds for it to build out that part, that change. And then maybe it's right, maybe it's wrong. But this kind of helps confirm like, okay, yeah, you get what I'm saying and making those changes. So it says it's done and we're going to see what this looks like. So everything else stayed the same. And then we go down here and now we have a carousel just like what I want. And I can go, cool, this is what I want. You can also add for more changes, but this is how I want this to look. You can also go up here and look at the mobile version so you can see how that looks. And again, you can make changes to that. Say on the mobile version, I want it to do this or that. And then once you kind of have the layout the way that you want it, you then just go up here to the top, go edit content. And now I can go through right in there and make the changes. We could add our own pictures. We could add our own elements. We could change the descriptions and do all of that manually, or you can add that information here. You can also upload images. So to me, in my money, Hostinger Horizons is really a home run to be able to create a website from scratch. I like design. I like kind of messing around with websites and kind of laying them out and getting them exactly the way I want. However, it takes so much time that this is really powerful to be able to get you started. Now, here's the other thing that really makes this stand out. From some of the other website builders that I've tested, there's a lot of them that have sort of those prompts that it asks you when you're first building a website. What's your company? What's it about? What kind of style? What kind of look? And what I found is that that's sort of just been a way of narrowing down templates that are already pre-existing in there. And then they'll plug your information in there and go, here you go, here's your website. And then once you go back and edit it after you've initially done those first steps of answering those questions to build the website, you're right back into their general builder. What I think is neat is that when you go out of this, so let's say we want to go to our dashboard and we have our list of websites over here and we do other things. Maybe we want to build another website. And then when I go in and I say, I want to edit this website, this is the one that we just built, I want to edit it, it takes me right back into this Horizon interface. It has my chat history. It has everything over here so that I can go right into there and make changes from here and say, oh, let's change the name of the business to Andy Canode Photography or whatever. And I'm right back into this interface where I can have a real conversation with AI to be able to make those changes. 9 times out of 10, I find that when I'm looking at a website, I know what I want it to do. I know what I want it to look like, but I don't want to have to learn which button I need to click on or how to drag that or what it's called in the menu options to be able to add that. Here, you just talk to it, just like if you had a web designer on your staff. So to me, Hostinger's AI Builder is a huge standout and the best for 2026. So once again, if you want to try this out, go ahead and click the link on the description below to be able to get the best price available for Hostinger. And this Hostinger Horizons is available on all of the plans that they offer. It just depends on how many websites you want and storage and that sort of thing. But in my opinion, Hostinger has the best AI builder for 2026. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.